Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Tech. As we know, there is an off-campus placement drive for Tech Mahindra for 2021 batch. Irrespective of all branches, all students of BE and B.tech can take part in this national level of off-campus drive. It's a MCQ based exam. Total 102 questions are there. We have to complete it within 3 hours 42 minutes. Among 102 questions, there are 75 from aptitude and reasoning part, 1 from English writing, 1 code to run all test cases, and 25 MCQ questions from computer science domain. This test was held from 21st to 25th November this year, and today we are going to discuss about the coding solution of the above mentioned exam. So guys, this is the question. Given an array of integers representing measurements in inches, write a program to calculate the total measurements in feet. Ignore the measurements, those are less than a feet. So 12 inches equals to 1 feet. We have to remember that thing. So all the inputs that are less than 12 are not evaluated, and the note is you are expected to write a code in the find total fleet function, only which will receive the first parameter as the number of items in the array and second parameter as the array itself. You are not required to take input from the console, so you don't have to take an input, you don't have to write the main function, you have to only write the required function. So example, finding the total measurements in feet from a list of 5 numbers. Input 1 is 5 and input 2 is the whole array. Then the output is 5. How? There is the explanation. The first parameter 5 is the size of the array. Next is an array of measurements in inches. The total number of feet is 5, which is calculated as shown below. This 18 is more than 12 or equals or more than 12, so it's 1. 11 less than 12, 0. 27 more than 12, it is equivalent to 2 feet or more than 2 feet, so 2. 12 equivalent to 1 feet, and 14 is more than 1 feet, so 1 2 1 1, total brings out to be 5. So we have to check each input. If measurement input is less than a foot, ignore it. Please else calculate the least feet of the inputs and sum up. So here is the code, guys. First of all, we need to write both the packages so that there is no problem with this input output package and util package. Then the class user main code, you can just name it according to yourself. Public int to find total feet. This is the function that is mentioned here, find total feet function only, so we have to abide by the rules. And the parameters are int input I1 and int third bracket open close input 2. So this is the in number of inputs, and this is the input of the array. Then we have to take a counter to sum up the number of feet, so count equals to 0. The loop running from 0 to less than the input 1, and count plus equals to input of 2, that's the array of I variable by 12. So if it's 12, it will give 1. If it's more than 12, it's give the relevant quotient. If it's less than 12, it will give 0. So in this case, you can check for all of these 5 inputs, and it will the count value will become 5 after running the whole, after checking the whole array, and then return count. So that's all for this video. Subscribe to this channel for upcoming videos and press the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.